In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock multiple Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful if you want to control who can edit specific parts of your spreadsheets, ensuring that only authorized users can make changes. Let's dive into the process. First, open your Google Sheet. Navigate to the document where you want to apply these changes. Once you're in, the next thing you need to do is select the cells that you want to protect. You can click and drag to highlight a range of cells or hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple cells that aren't adjacent. Next, go to the top of your screen and click on Data. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find a host of options related to data manipulation. What we're looking for here is Protect Sheets and Ranges, so go ahead and click on that. Doing this will open a sidebar panel on the right side of your screen. With the panel open, add a description to identify what you're protecting easily. It could be something simple like Q1 financials or employee information, whatever describes the data best. Now, click on Add a Sheet or Range. This is where you start setting permissions. Once again, you'll see a prompt asking for a description, but you can skip it if you've already added one earlier. Below this, click on Set Permissions. A menu will pop up asking you to choose a restriction option. You can select Show a Warning when editing this range, if you still want certain people to have editing capabilities but wish to alert them to proceed with caution. Alternatively, if you want total control, opt for Restrict who can edit this range. To limit editing privileges to yourself only, select Only You from the drop-down menu provided. This ensures that you're the only person who can make changes to the specified cells or sheets. Once you've made your choice, hit Done. And there you go. The selected range is now protected. Now, to unlock or unprotect a sheet, the process is quite similar. First, choose the sheet you want to unprotect. Just like before, click on Data on the top menu, and then Protect Sheets and Ranges. This will pull up the sidebar once again. Click on Can Edit, then click on the trash icon. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the protection. Click Remove, and the sheet will be unprotected. And there you have it, locking and unlocking multiple Google Sheets to manage who can edit what has never been easier. This simple yet effective tool can make a huge difference in maintaining the integrity of your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below.